Hello everyone, welcome back to AgriFarming. Today we are back with how to grow lemongrass in pots. Lemongrass is a perennial plant with thin and long leaves and it is indigenous to India and other areas. Lemongrass is one of the commercially cultivated aromatic crops in India. It belongs to the family of Poaceae and grows in many parts of tropical and subtropical Africa and Southeast Asia. Lemongrass has lots of medicinal properties and health benefits. It can be used in regular tea consumption for a basic aromatic flavor. Let's see some health benefits of lemongrass. Lemongrass are full of anti-cancer properties. Its oil is used in aromatherapy of muscle. It helps to cope with fever. It helps to cope with the cold and cough. It has cholesterol-lowering properties. It helps to cope with stress and helps in dealing with high blood pressure. It helps in cleanse the body by eliminating toxic substance. It helps to deal with menstrual problems and aid to cope with acne and pimples. Now, let's see some of the varieties of lemongrass. Some of the commercial varieties of lemongrass are Sugandhi, Brahman, PRL16, CKP25, OD406, RRL39, Pragati, and Kaveri. The most suitable climatic condition for growing lemongrass is warm, humid climatic condition with full of sunshine and rainfall ranging from 200 to 250 cm, well distributed throughout the year. Lemongrass can be grown in place where rainfall is less provided there is an alternate irrigation system. If you are planting lemongrass in pots, you can control the irrigation system by yourself. Now, let's see the most important part, that is soil requirement for lemongrass plantation. Lemongrass thrives well in wide range of soil ranging from rich loamy to poor laterite, but sandy loam soil and red soil with good drainage and good organic matter are best suited for its cultivation. For planting in pots, you can either use potting mix or garden soil with rich organic matter. Waterlogged soil should not be considered for its cultivation. Propagation of lemongrass. The lemongrass crop is best propagated through seeds raised in nurseries. It can also be vegetatively propagated by splitting the clumps into slips. If you are planting your lemongrass in pots, you can buy your seeds or nurseries from the nearby nurseries around your locality. Now, let's see the water requirement for lemongrass crop. Plots or your pots should be watered every alternate day for about 4 weeks and then once a week depending upon the weather and the soil type. In the rainy season, irrigation is not needed and the soil should have proper drainage. The pests and disease of lemongrass. There is no serious insect or disease or pest have been reported to attack this lemongrass crop. Some facts about growing lemongrass. The lemongrass is a perennial, however, it is a winter hardy and very much sensitive to frost conditions. The first harvest of lemongrass can be expected after 4 months of planting. Lemongrass is recommended to plant after the frost is past. Usually, lemongrass can become dormant in cold conditions like cold winters. Lemongrass can be grown in pots in the home garden. It requires full sun or partial shade and prefer warm, humid conditions. For lemongrass stalks to grow new roots, you can keep them in the winter like in jar or an inch of water. Expect new roots after 15 to 20 days before you transplant them. Lemongrass can be grown indoors in the backyard or on the terrace, even in the balcony. So, let's get into the harvesting of the lemongrass. Lemongrass plants are perennial and can give crop up to 5 years. Harvesting can be done by cutting the grass 10 cm above the ground level or the pot level. During the first year of planting, 30 cuttings and in subsequent years, 5 to 6 cuttings are obtained. The first harvesting is done in about 3 months after planting and subsequently at 45 to 60 days intervals. The harvested leaves can be stored under shade for 3 days without much adverse effect on the oil yield or quality of the oil. Then are chopped into small pieces before distillation. Yield may depend on the variety of seed and crop management. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.